Alright, well I figured I'd give anyone who wanted to see what exactly they mean by blizzard. This is January 27th, 2015. As you can see, the snow's up to and partially covering the hood of the car. So that's probably a good 4 feet up the pole. See if we get a look this way. What can we see? Oh, there goes some service vehicles. That's the end of the driveway, so I'm gonna have to snow blow out about 4 or 5 feet of snow to get out to the road. I just took the dog out a minute ago. He almost disappeared at the end of the stairs. So, there you go, that's what it is. I guess the considerations for a blizzard are sustained winds over 35 miles an hour or frequent gusts, and below 1/4 mile visibility. So 1/4 mile or less. Yeah, that's definitely what it is. It was worse this afternoon. Couldn't even barely see across the street. Well, I'm going back in the house. I'm gonna have a lot of work to do in the morning. Hope this gives anyone an idea of what exactly we're talking about.